What's up, guys? Didn't know I was gonna be making a video until I came in here and I saw the mail sitting on my bed. I was like, well, what do we have here? We got my Motorcraft radiator cap in, because the old one I think was one of those aftermarket junk ones, because like a dormant or something, because it wasn't holding any pressure. So got this new one here, so we're gonna put this on there, and then we're gonna be getting another couple parts. So either y'all are gonna end up seeing this video later, or I'm gonna wait till I get some other parts in, so we can kind of do like in like a more of an update video and have a couple items. So either I'm just gonna be doing this video, or I'm gonna actually be doing more. So we'll just have to see. So stay tuned, cause either you're gonna see this or you're gonna see a buttload of parts. So yeah, guys, this is the latest update video on the 6.0. So let's continue with this video, shall we? So now I've got this open right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Let's see here. There we go. New one. Looks a lot nicer than the old one. The old one I think is junk. So let's go ahead. Oh, look at that. This one actually is pretty dang nice. It's got a nice little pressure valve. You can see that. So, and that's pretty good quality on it too. Let's see if this will. Yeah, looks really good. So let's go ahead and take the other one off and put this one on. Okay, let's go ahead and pop the hood. Let's see here. I'm gonna do this with one hand. Nope. Okay, we're back. Now you can see old Leaky here. Did quite a good bit of leaking. So this looks like one of those junk caps. So, oh, it's still got pressure. Dang. See, inside this one's a little different, I guess you could say. So there's the old one. Here's the new one. So go ahead and put it on there. Turn it around. There we go. So now you can see the new one, old one, and that is gonna be good. So let's see what else we need to do here. And we are back. So this is not the end of the video. In fact, it's only the beginning. Ooh, what do we have here, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, I think I know what that is. I think you know what it is too. You ready to see this? Because I'm ready to see this. Ladies and gentlemen, the Riff Raff boot. I'd say boots, but I only got one. Because pretty much upgrading as I go. Only needed one, so I got one. And then, of course, awesome V-band clamp. Brand spanking new. Go right on there. I've already got the other one. One of them broke off, the other one didn't. So we're going to use this one. And then we're going to use the other one too. So I like this color though. Like it's a beautiful blue color. So it's awesome. So let's go ahead and put this on there, and then we'll have to see how much turbo power we have now, because it's been lagging, because on the other one has like a slit like right up in there. So hopefully this is going to make a big difference. So let's pop the hood and put this bad boy on there. Okay, I'm back and I found something I did not see coming. Look at that, dude. Look at that freaking rip. That's huge. That's insane, dude. Look at how freaking... That's massive. That's not the rip I saw before. The rip I was seeing every day was... Where is it? Right? Hang on. What the heck? Where'd he go? Right there. What? No, right there. Teeny little guy right... Oh, come on. The stupid light turned off. Really? Oh, come on. Wow. It was... Hang on. Might move. Turn back on. There we go. It was right there. That's the rip I've been seeing. And this looks like it was leaking stuff. Well, there's another rip I didn't see before. Dude, this is retarded. There's all kinds of rips on this sucker. And then, big old massive one over here. Look at that, dude. You really can't see much on the inside of it, but... Dang. So, that's what I was... That was what I was least expecting. I did not see that coming, so... Holy crap. Look at that. Dang. So... We should be seeing a lot more turbo boost and a lot more kaboom, kaboom when you get on it. You know what I'm saying? So, dang. So I'm going to put this down, and I'm going to go install the new one. Cause holy crap, dude, that's insane. That's freaking insane. What's up, fam? We're back. 6-0. Got the AC going because it's a hot day. I just wanted to show you real quick the new boot, how it looks. So now, as you can see, the radiator cap, swapping that out did make a difference. Engine lights on because of glow plugs, so hate on the glow plugs all you want to. But yeah, the, what do you call it? The radiator cap did make a difference. Hadn't had any spews since, which is good. Do need to put a little fluid in there because after it all spewed out, I didn't put any fluid in there, so I do need to put some fluid in there. So it's not losing any coolant, it just looked like it was because it spewed everywhere. So that's good. And then turbo pressure. Oh my god, you're talking about some response? Like it runs so much better now. I'd say probably night and day difference. Because the old boot, see where that turret is. Gone. Oh, there's the old turret. Literally like, see a buttload of, obviously the big sucker. Come on, stupid camera focus. We got, of course, that was the one I saw, the first one. Then, so it's just sitting in there like this. This is how it was in there. So I didn't even see big old whopper. So I was like, what the heck? And there's some teeny ones right there. Another small one. Let's see if I can. There's one right there. All up in there. See, all up in there. And then let's see. Oh, dang, up in there too. And there's one right there, obviously. All those right there. So it was in pretty rough shape. So that new boot helped. It did pop off a couple times, but that's because I didn't have the clamps on tight enough. Tightened them, torqued them down. Put those on there. So that's good. Really good. So that was today's update video. And for those interested, there will be a video coming out soon. How the heck? On the bus. There you go. Ow, I just burnt my hand. Stupid dash is hot. But there is an update video coming on that. So if you want to see it, let me know. Because right now the bus is not really a big priority. But if you want me to do an update video on it or work on it, just let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, guys, that was today's video. Or it was really today's, yesterday's, and the day before video. But you know what I'm saying. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.